She's cleaning her motorcycle. Do it well. Are you cleaning? Is it shiny now? Mona? Do it well. So good. Very good. She's cleaning her motorcycle. Wow. Wow, is it shiny now? Mona? Is it shiny? Check it. Check it. Is it shiny? Mona? What? Is it clean now?
It's clean now.
Okay, are you going to ride now? You're very good.
Go drive the bicycle.
Dry?
Ride the bicycle.
Okay.
Ride the bicycle.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Ride. Okay.
Down the bicycle.
Wow, she's cleaning. She's a good girl. Okay, can you check if there's gas? Can you check if there's gas? Gasoline? Check. Inside. Inside the tank. Check. Check, please. In the tank if there's gasoline. Okay, you can ride it now. You wanna ride? Check. Check now, Mona.